Do you know which searching algorithm we should use if we have to search in a sorted array? Consider a sorted array where we have to check if element with the value 6 is present or not. The first way to start searching for an element in an array is to start with the first index. If the element is not found at the first index, then we will search for a second index. And if element is not found at a second index, then we will go for the third index and so on. In this way, to find the element 6, we have to compare 6 elements. And if element is not present in an array, then we will end up in searching all the elements. So the time complexity will be big O of n. Let's see if instead of searching all elements, can we take advantage of a sorted array over here. So instead of starting from the first element, we can start from a middle element. So first we will compare the middle element with the answer that we are looking for. If it's equal, then we found our answer. But if it's not equal, then we will check if our element is greater than middle element or not. If our element is greater than middle element, then our element must be on the right hand side of middle element, because array is sorted. And if element is smaller, then it must be on the left hand side of a middle element. So just by comparing our element with the middle, we discarded half of the array. In our case, middle element is a 5 and answer we are looking for is a 6, and 6 is greater than 5. So 6 must be on the right hand side of a middle element. So in the next iteration, our new start will be index 5 and end will be index 10. So middle element will be index 8. Now value at index 8 is less than our element. So our element will be on the left side of a middle element. So we will discard the right part of index 8. So our new end will be at index 7 and new middle will be at index 6, and this middle is our answer. So in just 3 iterations we found the answer. This type of searching algorithm is called as a binary search, which has a big O of log n time complexity. So let's understand the code for binary search. First, let's define an array in the main method with the size 10 and element to be searched is a 6. So let us create a function for binary search which will return the index of our element, and if element is not present, then it will return -1. This function will take 3 parameters, which is start, end and answer that we are searching for. So initially start will be 0, end will be the size -1 and answer will be 6. Now let's define a function. First we have to find mid, which is start plus end by 2. Now we will check if mid is answer or not. If mid is answer, then we will return a mid, which is index of our answer. Now if start is greater than end, means the element is not present in our array, so we will return -1 as an answer. Now if mid is not the answer, then we will compare mid with answer we are looking for. If our element is greater than mid, then our element will be on the right side of array. So our new start will be mid plus 1 and end will be end. And if answer is less than mid, then we will search in the left hand side of array. So our new end will be mid -1. We will use recursion to search for answer. If you like this video, then subscribe to my channel for more such videos.